can you find Lumi before the volcano erupts? Tell me, where is she? 3, 2, 1, 1. There, the right cave. Crystal 1, make a water bridge. You found me. We found Crystal 2. Mission 2 complete. What is inside the glowing egg? Subscribe with a grown-up to join the hatching mission. The volcano is waking up. We have to help. Understood. Analyzing course. Here we come! Easy, follow that signal. 4. You're safe with us, little Rexy. It's a safe. Chirp! We did it! This leaf symbol is broken in 2. This leaf symbol is broken in 2. Chirp! This leaf symbol is broken in 2. One route. Let's move! 2 doors, and Lumi's signal is behind 1. Blue door! We're coming, Lumi! Red means fire. That blue sparkle belongs to Lumi. 1, 2. 1, 2. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chirp. Soft landing. Perfect, Rexy. Lumiel's close enough to hear us.
The blue sparkles.
Carney, you found another way around. Lumi left exactly 5 clues. Match the leaf, then turn. Ah! We found each other. Now we stone. Everything else stays. You're warning us, not chasing us. Stay together. The zing. Eruption approaching. That trapped light must be Lumi. 3-note chirp. Deep friendly rumble. Need us. A cooling tunnel is hidden below. We can make it. Rower. The geyser. Look out, Lumi! A water element key can cool the crossing. Oh, yeah. That makes sense. It's a tool. 5 cool stones cross 1 at a time. Rexy, 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safe. Chirp, chirp. Purr. Safe. We need a cool bridge first. Chirp. Key is almost free. Chirp, chirp. Water beats heat. Let's build a safe path. Hold on. I'll find you. 2. Then 3. The bridge is broken, but the lily pads can help. We found you. A little higher. Look, it's clearing. We did it! Not quite, Tony. You're safe towards the arch. Halfway. Way. Chirp. The path is open. Mama, come through. Chirp, I'm here. Watch out, Mama. Grrr. Hiss. Your family is together again. All 5 eggs are present and unbroken. Confirmed! And ready. To its matching nest. Pressure falling. Dinosaur Valley is safe. Ruby makes 5. Welcome, Trix. baby number 1. Brio is baby number... Pippa is baby number 5. All 5 babies are safe. Spike makes 3. Look at 6 little plates. Keep everyone on the platform. Catch egg 5. Catch. Egg 5 is safe. While Lumi finds the lift. Lumi finds the lift. While Lumi finds the lift. The line while Lumi finds the lift. The blue water key fits the nurse. Straight down. Rising. Keep the egg steady. Hold your colors until my signal. The platform is locked. The key can move. Now the key goes to the heart. The heart still needs the blue water key.
Key. Restore the valley.
5 eggs. Move slowly.
Roar.
Just bridge stable. 5 eggs secure. Your family is together again. Heart chamber is opening. Wow, it's so... 3 color paths must wake the heart. All 5 babies are safe. We found Lumi and saved every dinosaur egg. 5 brave babies, 1 happy family. Chime, chime. We did it. Chirp. The heart is... Mission Crystal number 1. A new call is coming from Ocean. Friendship secured. Ellie is safe. We'll never forget you. My first mission crystal calm. I'll carry our teamwork with me. It powers the heart. The crystal marks our mission. The heart. The crystal marks our mission. The crystal marks our mission. We'll answer Ocean Kingdom after our goodbye. Yes, storing coordinates. We'll be back soon. Just wait here. Ocean Kingdom is waiting for us. Ready. Initiating scan. The mission crystal knows the ocean path. Chirp. That matches the scans of the canyon floor. We have a path. Let's go. The valley is stable. The missing pearl is our next mission. Then we need to find it fast. Let's go.
Ocean Kingdom needs us.
Oh, no!
Subscribe with a grown-up and join our next mission.
The mission crystal knows the ocean path. It's the way. Next stop, Ocean mission route. Success confirmed.